Hello and welcome to the 8th video, I think it is, in this series about how to set up a website from scratch. Well done for getting this far, by the way. So what we're going to do today, we're going to install a theme. By the way, this stuff just ignore. I mean, it's I don't know why they do it, and you can actually just dismiss it, but it keeps coming up. So don't worry too much about it anyway. Nothing much is on this dashboard now, which is good because we're starting from scratch. So what I'd like you to do is, first of all, we're going to do choosing a theme. Now this is quite easy. You just go to themes. Now there's two things I want you to do first. I just added some themes. Don't worry about these. I'm not suggesting they're good or anything. The first thing I want you to do is delete the themes you have. Now you'll have 4 or 5. Keep this one. Whatever this one is, that's the one that's installed. So just keep that one. Click on theme details and look at the bottom here. You can see the cursor. You'll see delete. Get rid of all the other themes you have. Alright, there we are. Again, delete, because you don't need your dashboard, your back office. Oh, damn it. I didn't mean to do that. Don't worry about it. We'll change that because that means we're probably working on the same thing. This is what I meant to do, wasn't it? Okay, so we're all, we should be on the same page, as it were, with 2020. Doesn't matter, but there you are. This is the theme we've got. Now, to add a new one, go up here. Okay, and now one thing I want you to do first, quickly, is just go up to here and press Control or Command and then click this link. This will open up your site for you, and I would take it off there. That's what I'm going to do myself. You can do what you like, just so that you can see what's going on a little bit better. So now to search for a new theme, you can do one of 3 things. You can just scroll down here and look at something you like to look at. There's only 15 there. If you go to popular, there'll be over 4,000. Okay, latest is how many? 7,000, nearly 7,500, for goodness sake. Favorites. Okay, you haven't got any favorites. So you can just go to latest and scroll down and find anything you like. Look how, and notice how, let's see. Let's just go, well, let's just look at, oh, I like the look of this one. If you have a furniture shop, this would be quite nice. So you can click that, and look what happens. Now this is your site. Okay, so it's giving you a kind of preview of. Now this is the problem. The themes don't really look like this. You can see that didn't look anything like that, because you've got to build it. You've got to build them up, which is why when you look for a theme, it might be quite boring to start with. It's your content that makes your theme look good. So this is why, hopefully you read in the book, I said, you choose a theme and then be prepared to change it. Another thing you can do is click the feature filter. So for example, I'm probably gonna, since I'm selling ebooks, well, I'm not selling ebooks on my site because I belong to Amazon KDP, so I can't. So I'm promoting my ebooks, so probably portfolio is quite a good one to use. I don't really care about this. You see, you can do all these sort of what do I want. The only thing I always want is 2 menus. I like grid layouts. I don't know why I like them, but I do. So this is a kind of grid layout. Here's a grid layout. Also, what I like is a theme that has 2 menus. So you can see the menu. If I put the cursor just there, you can see this menu. And this looks like it has another menu at the top. Okay, because I always want a second menu at the top or the bottom. It doesn't really matter, but I prefer the top, where you can put your legal pages, your privacy policy, your terms and condition, because you've got to be able to show the people that you've got them. If you don't, you can get into trouble. All right. So, for example, one of my favorite themes that I like is because it has everything I need is BAM. You see, it's got a nice grid layout. Now, if we look at my site at the moment, you can see it looks like that. Let's do that again. All right. Now look what happens if I install this. Okay. Now remember, you've got to activate it. If you just install, it doesn't do anything. Look, I'll refresh my page and nothing is exactly the same. So let's activate it. Okay. So the active theme is always here. So if you like this theme, or whatever theme you like, then you want to get rid of this one, remember. But only do this when you're, nicely organized. You don't have to do it every time, because you might get confused or lost. Now look what happens. Okay. Now my pages are here, but look, there's a menu up here, and that's where these are going to end up. In another video you will see. I mean, I'm probably not going to choose this theme. I'm just showing you that this is good because it has the two menus, one here and one at the top. Shall I quickly? I'll tell you what, let me quickly show you so you can customize this. Look what I'm going to do. And I'm going to show you quickly what will happen so that you can see what I'm talking about. Let's go down to menus. Let's go down to menus. We got main menu there, top bar menu there. The top bar menu is this one. So if I select, hang on, so what we need to do is go back, create a new menu. Let's call it top menu. Top menu. Oops, menu. Ugh. I'm constantly having to type in an uncomfortable way. So we're going to put the top menu in the top bar menu location. Click next. Okay. Now we need to add items. So let's do privacy policy, terms and conditions, earnings disclaimer, and contact us. And look what happens. You can see what happens. Here we are. They're all right at the top. I love that bit. I like that we have that top menu. Okay, we could then create a new menu if you want. We can create we got the main menu, so let's call it main menu. Main menu, and we're going to put that. This is the main menu, this bit. So this is the top bar menu, this is the main menu. You can already see now that we've got something there. So let's press click, and watch what happens. Everything disappears. Let's just add home. Okay, and I'm going to click publish. Okay, remember to always click publish. If you don't, it will remind you anyway, normally. Now look, let's go back to, oh, we're actually here. Let's get rid of this. And we will now see that the website looks like that. So we've got our privacy policy. Remember in the last video I said you had to fix it to make it look nice. I haven't done that yet. I'll do that today, I think. Terms and conditions, it doesn't look nice either. We need to fix this earnings disclaimer. I haven't got anything on it yet. Contact us. That's the contact form there. All right. So that's it. That's all you need to do for the theme. As usual, it took longer, but I did show you how to do these menus from the customized thing, so that was quite good. A little bit of extra content then. I'll show you how to do that again later anyway. And there you have it. So thank you very much for watching this. You now have spent some time looking for a nice theme, and I'll do the same, and in the next video we can compare themes. So I'll speak to you again soon. Bye bye.